Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lincoln MKC hood. First, locate the interior hood release latch. It's typically found on the driver's side beneath the dashboard, often near the door sill. Give this lever a firm pull. You'll hear a distinct click, indicating the primary latch is released, and the hood will pop up slightly, creating a small gap. Now move to the front of your MKC. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach into this gap, right above the grille, and feel around the center. You're looking for a secondary safety latch. This is a small lever or hook designed to prevent accidental opening. Gently push or pull this latch to fully release the hood. With both latches disengaged, you can now lift the hood fully open. It might feel a bit heavy, so lift steadily. Look for the hood prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Carefully unclip it and insert the end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood stays securely open while you work. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support and clip it back into its storage position under the hood. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 10 to 12 inches above the closed position. From this height, simply let it drop. This allows both latches to engage securely, ensuring your hood is properly closed for safe driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.